Do you want to learn how to make better videos? In this advanced videography course, you're going to learn just that.
We've put so much into this course to really take your videography from sort of a base level. Maybe you understand how to use your camera, you have some equipment, but really taking all that and just taking it to the next level, really bringing it up to a professional standard where you can be working with clients, you can be making videos for your own YouTube channel, you can be doing all sorts of things with your videography and feeling confident in the shots that you're getting.
We're going to talk about composition, we're going to talk about lighting, we're going to talk about equipment, we're going to even go over some storyboards, some pre-production, we're going to touch on audio. We want your video to look like it cost $1 million to make with the tools and the abilities you already have.
This course is entirely based on real-world scenarios, from documentary promotional videos to commercial, vlogs, you name it. This course is going to inspire you to think more creatively and get better shots.
And if you have any questions along the way, we will be there to help.
Make your videos stand out from the crowd with this advanced videography course. So hit that enroll button and we'll see you inside.